So in this lecture we will create pics for our gig. So let's close this tab and open new tab and search canva.com. So basically Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics and other visual content. It also includes pre-built templates for users to use. You can explore it deeply on your own. My job is here to give you a basic idea how things work and stuff like that. You can even learn from Canva, it is easy to use. You can also buy a plan if you want. So let's click on the templates and choose the card option. So let's choose create a blank card. It is so easy to edit pictures through Canva. So click on the upload option. But first we need to create an account. So let's sign up with Google. Now click on uploads, then click on upload media, then device. Select pictures which we download from the Unsplash website. So it will take some time to upload. Now upload the pictures which we download the remove.bg website. So let's do that. So all pictures are uploaded now. We need to drag or just click on the picture and play with these pictures. Now click on add page to create others picture. So let's do some work. We want to create a pictures like that as before and after effect so client can see our work. Add a heading and write before and after. Same for the others pictures. Now add it for the last picture, so let's do that. So almost done now. Now click on the download button and select the file type as PNG. We want to download the all pictures, so click on download. So it will prepare your design. After that our download will be start. So pictures for our gig is ready now, and you can see with the help of Canva you can easily edit pictures and stuff like that. It is one of my favorite platform for designing, and it is so easy, just drag and drop. And one more thing about remove.bg website is that you can also change the image background also. You can change the background with the help of canvas, so it is up to you. So after remove the background, then click on the edit option. So here you can choose the background and change it. So that's it for this video. In the next lecture we will create our remove background gig. So I will see you in the next one.